Today I want to share with you a quick and easy Teacher Appreciation Day sign. So we're going to start out with some fun papers. And we are going to take the I Love School paper from Echo Park, and you are going to cut out one of these 4x4 journaling cards. So I have mine cut out already, and then you'll take a hinge clip and your score tape, and you are going to put some score tape on the back of your hinge clip, peel off that back plastic piece. You'll put your sign in the hinge clip, and then attach this to your frame. So here I've got it attached to the outside of my frame. Then we are going to take our foam letters, get your teacher's name ready, and we are going to lay it out across the bottom of the frame. So here we have our quick and easy little sign, and I'm going to show you how to make a gift card holder so you can put a gift card on the back of this as a perfect completed gift. So we are going to take our pocket punch board and a piece of paper. So again, I'm using it from that same paper line, so we're using the one with the pencils. To fit our gift card, I'm going to cut it down to 5 by 4.5 inches, and I've done that already. And then you're going to use this quick little easy guide, and that's going to help you figure out where to move your little guide. So we are going to move it to the B and the 1. Put your piece of paper in there, take your cutter, you're going to cut it along, put it in here and cut it along this edge. Then you'll flip it over, do it along the other edge. Hiding in the back of this is a little tool to help you with scoring. You'll flip out the edges of your board, put your piece of paper back in there, and then score along these score lines. Flip it over and then score along this one as well. Then you'll take the score lines you have, center them along this punch, put a little punch in there. And here we've got the cute little gift tag. You'll just fold up the edges. Use some score tape to hold that down, and then score tape it to the back of your sign. So now you've got your fun 4x4 journal card and your gift card holder on there. You can put a gift card to their favorite store, and it is a perfect Teacher Appreciation Day gift.